Hey you all, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are doing great. Um, so after a long time I am feeling great and I am fully ready to talk to you all, and I am feeling like it's been a long time I haven't like sat in front of my camera and I haven't shot anything from past 2 weeks. So this has been the life. Currently I am here. I'm gonna talk about something, and um, it's just like a quick yapping or chatting session. If you wanna listen, you can stick here and enjoy the video. Currently, I have my coffee with myself, and I don't know why it always happens with me. Whenever I try to make coffee, either it turns out to be so much with caffeine or extremely sweet. I don't know what is this. But now I have made this, so I have to bear this. Actually, today's coffee is very sweet. मीठी हो गई है मुझसे कॉफी गलती से. The last week was abrupt. I went to a trial, a probation period, and like for just one day I went there, and it sort of drains me because the workload there was like so much. Last week I have went there, and the people there, like who are already working there, they made me feel uncomfortable. So I went for that probation and I didn't do that. Yeah, I think that's how you all are getting to know that yes, I am looking for a job currently. I have been only at home for like, now if I talk about after my high schools, it had been 2 years because I really wanted to give space between my high school and my college. I know so many people don't prefer that, but I am preferring this so much because I really wanted to enter into the real world situation, and I really wanted to learn more in real world rather than just being into my books. I also wanted to give a break because what work I am planning to do in my future, it has nothing to do with the studies. So that's why I was planning to give some break in my studies so that I can focus on that perfectly, and then I can go again to studies in future. That's the plan. Just last week, or maybe on this Sunday, or maybe Saturday and Friday around, I came across a Substack essay, and it really felt like it clicks at the right point for me. That Substack essay was, I have written the name here because otherwise I'll forget. The Substack essay was Lazy Ambitious, the Worst Kind of Stuck. And it really made me feel like maybe this is what I am doing, or this is what I have done before. I do agree that I was a very lazy ambitious. I used to dream, I used to like plan everything, I'm checking everything out. But when it comes to take that action, when it comes to actually take that first step, I never did that. And I felt like that for the longest period of my life, for like 3 or 4 years. Even when I was in high school, I felt like that. And it happens, I just don't know why. In this session, this is written by a girl, Srinidhi Iyer, and she mentioned in that essay that she wanted to be an actress, but she has the confidence, talent, and everything, but she never tried. She always kind of just make excuses and all. She never tried, and then she also added the reason behind that because she was afraid of failing. She was afraid of getting to know like what if agar ye cheez hui ke I am not good enough, what if I didn't succeed in this field, or And that really hit at the right point because I think we all are afraid of failing. We all are afraid of what if we are not good enough in that, what if we are not made for that thing, what if we don't have that much talent, what if we don't have that much confidence. And that just hit at the right point because I was like that in my life, and the most important dream of my life that I wanted to do, I did sort of ignore that for last whole year because I was trying to put my focus into something that I didn't really enjoy at that time. And that really it happens with me in that particular work. I do plan a lot. I'm calling people, getting to know everything, but when it comes to take that first step, I never took that. And I don't know why. Maybe it's just my fear of failing, maybe it's my fear of even trying, or maybe I'm too much comfortable in my surrounding that I don't want to enter into an uncomfortable zone. I don't want to take that risk. If nothing changed, nothing changed. You have to take that first step, and it's the truth. If you didn't try, you will always be in a regret that what if I give that one chance. You will always be in that one regret for your whole life. So it's better to try and fail rather than living in regret. And then in the comments of this Substack essay, I got another Substack essay that is, we do not try not because of procrastination, but self preservation. This essay is by someone named Orion Wren, probably a metaphorical name or something. It goes deeper into that topic. It talks about it's not like that कि we are not trying because we are lazy, because we are procrastinating. We are not trying because we are so much self-preserved. And when I go deeper into that essay, I got to know that somewhere we are too much comfortable in our surrounding. Somewhere we don't want to change our routine, we don't want to change our lives. That's why we don't take that first step, because we are so much comfortable. And I felt that same. I am too much comfortable in my house, I'm too much comfortable in my surrounding, I'm too much comfortable in just being in my house and just sitting in front of my laptop, that I don't want to take that damn first step to go out of my house and do something. And it happens with me at once. There was one introductions happening in Delhi, and I got to know about them. And my family supports me at that level that I cannot describe. Whatever I need, whatever I'm doing, they will always be there for me. And at that day, my whole family told me that you have to give this one chance. Just go there, give this a chance, do this thing. That I felt like I was so much self-preserved, and I name this every time social anxiety, which can be a truth, but moreover that I feel myself to be so much comfortable in my house that I don't want to go out and to become uncomfortable. I felt this. This essay talks about literally another side of everything. That in first one we are learning that we don't try because we are afraid of failing, and then it talks about that we also do not do something because we are so much comfortable in our own lives now. We don't want to make ourselves uncomfortable. Then I came across another good thing just on Sunday, or maybe on last Saturday. Maybe on last Saturday, that was in my notes app. I came across a theater play by two brothers. They generally write everything themselves, they create everything by themselves, and they play that in a theater. And that was on YouTube. And I saw that theater play, and I was shivering while watching that, because the play was about two actors, especially one actor. He has been doing auditions for years now. He has given more than 1,000 audition and he hadn't cracked one thing in his whole life. And this whole thing has made him depressed, made him to have suicidal thoughts, and that made me to see the a exactly opposite view of everything I have been reading. And that was like, what if we try but we never succeed? And we have given that thing our thousands of percent, but we hadn't succeed. We didn't succeed in that field. And we are going through depression, suicidal thought, and we are seeing the all the bad things you can think of. Then what is more hurtful? Not trying and trying and failing and living with that depression, that suicidal thought, that guilt, that regret of not being of not succeeding in that particular thing. What is more difficult? We have that talent, we have that confidence, but we never crack there. How it feels to live with that depression, to live with those suicidal thoughts, with that stress, then for your whole life. Then what is more hurtful? I know we can say at the end of the day that at least we tried. We didn't get succeed. That's another story, but at least we tried. But what if you tried at that last moment where it's almost like you almost fell into the depression, we're having those suicidal thoughts. That play has just kind of shook me, and I don't know now what is the. And I will not lie, that play has made me somewhere afraid of trying or failing. And I don't know what side is good or what side is bad, trying or not trying. I'm on that point of my life where I want to try. I want to give everything a chance. I want to be in that uncomfortable zone. I cannot say which side is right or not. Maybe this comes with experience. This comes with experiencing both the sides. But these three things are kind of interconnected with each other. Everything made me feel something entirely different, and yet it just straightly connected with my heart. I think that's all the thoughts was. I know that there is no conclusion in this video. It's all our this all looks like a question mark, because I haven't lived the long life. I'm just 19. I don't know much thing about life because I haven't experienced that much life. But if any of you have any thoughts or comments, you can leave them below. I will surely check them. I would actually love to know your thoughts on these three of things: lazy, ambitious, self-preservation, and then an entirely different part of this whole thing. I think both is hard. Actually, I don't know. I would like to know your thoughts. If you have anything to say, feel free. Comments are open. And that's all for today's yapping. I'll keep coming with these thoughts because I think that's my place to come back again and again. For today, that's all. I hope you all have sort of got some thoughts or enjoyed my yapping. That's all for today. Bye bye. I'm just gonna complete my coffee and then I'm going to enter into the editing mode of this video because I'm late onto my routine. But these are the thoughts I had and I just wanted to share them. Bye bye.